Hi, hello. Today we're going to draw the map of Austria. It's the country Austria. So let's take the sign pen and just draw the borders of the country. As you know, the country map usually doesn't change unless there is a big war or any special circumstances. So any map that's almost the same for many years. Awesome. So the progress is going on. So the main thing is to learn the map. Is sometimes it's because of the academic purpose, sometimes you need to know the geographic locations if you want to travel around the world. So if you want to find out any country or have some knowledge, then you have to search through the world atlas or to the world map to find out that country. But if you know the maps and the locations of the country and the locations of other surrounding countries, then it's going to be easier for you to find out and visit those countries. So this is the basic drawing. Now I'm going to put some the colors. I'm going to put some light colors so that I can clearly define the inside spaces from the outside borders. Okay, so the whole paper, you can see it's a white paper. Now I'm putting the regular soft colors to define the inside of the map. So after drawing this one, you can see this is our new playlist for maps and for map drawing. We have also other playlists like the designs of the flags and also all types of regular drawings, the birds, fish, scenery, the different types of paintings. So lots of options in our playlist. We are going to make so many drawings there. In this kind of map drawing, I will try to draw most of the countries, hopefully all of the countries map step by step, because every day I'm drawing a few countries and the volume is increasing. So you can see the map of the Austria, and the capital of Austria is Vienna. And if you want to define the locations, it's in Europe. It has a Germany here on the north. It has a country bordering country with Czech Republic, Slovakia on this side, Hungary here, Slovenia on the other side in the bottom, and Italy here, and Switzerland on this corner. So it has a bordering and borders with many other countries. That's why the locations of this country is a prime location, and this is one of the developed countries. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like, you can do practice how to write or draw the maps of Austria here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on. Stay tuned with Blue Hands Drawing channel, and lots of drawings are coming up, which is going to be very easy for you guys. And if you go through the shorts of our videos, you can see all other doodle drawings and easy drawings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.